Hey everyone, welcome back to Dad English. Have you studied English for years, but your brain still thinks in your own language first?
You read English fine.
You watch English videos,
You might even pass tests.
but thinking in English feels slow.
If you're ready to fix this, hit like and subscribe now.
Turn on notifications for more lessons.
Today, we show you simple steps.
Habits for every day.
Stay until the end.
We give a 5-minute routine.
Most learners practice reading.
They practice writing.
They practice listening.
They practice speaking.
But they skip thinking in English.
So the brain translates everything,
From native language to English.
word by word.
That translation is a traffic jam.
It slows your sentences.
Fluency needs a direct path.
Idea to English words.
No stops.
Start with your inner voice.
It says I'm hungry.
It says, "Where's my phone?"
It says I'm late.
Right now, it uses your native language.
We change it to English.
Slowly.
Wake up in the morning.
Think, "I'm awake.
I feel sleepy.
I need to brush my teeth.
Add more.
I'm getting out of bed.
I'm opening the window.
The air feels fresh."
No perfect grammar needed.
Nobody hears your thoughts.
This is your safe classroom.
Goal is movement.
Brain moving in English.
Now walk to work.
Or walk to school.
Start English commentary.
In your head.
Say, "The road is busy.
The sky is gray.
That car is fast.
People look tired.
I'm crossing the street now."
I'm waiting for the bus.
These connect life to English.
Like how kids learn. Many think in long sentences.
Like in their native language.
Then they get stuck translating.
Daily English is short.
Like texting a friend.
Instead of, "I feel extremely exhausted because my day was full of difficult responsibilities."
Think, I'm so tired. Today was a long day.
Instead of, "The weather today is unpleasant and it negatively affects my mood."
Think, the weather is bad. I feel annoyed.
Short is faster.
Easier to remember.
More natural.
Do daily tasks.
Use your mind in English.
Cooking.
I'm washing the rice.
I'm cutting vegetables.
I'm adding salt.
The soup smells good.
Cleaning?
I'm sweeping the floor.
The table is dirty.
I'm throwing away trash.
Driving?
The road is busy.
The light is red.
I see a coffee shop.
Kids are playing.
These build automatic thinking.
One sentence at a time.
Your brain is a sponge.
It absorbs what it hears.
Again and again.
Don't lock English in lessons.
Put English everywhere.
Watch short clips you enjoy.
Understand 60–70%. That's fine.
Listen while cooking
Or cleaning.
or exercising.
You repeat phrases you hear.
Copy the rhythm.
Copy the music.
New word path is slow.
English translation meaning.
Make it fast.
English picture meaning.
Apple, see red apple.
In your hand with a bite.
Rain, see dark clouds.
Wet streets, water on window.
Happiness, see friends smiling.
Family laughing.
No translation needed.
Thinking gets quicker. Create English-only zones.
No translation allowed.
Change phone to English.
Apps too.
Games too.
Shopping list in English.
Buy milk.
Call mom.
Finish report.
Messages to yourself.
In Notes app. Fear stops many learners,
Afraid of mistakes.
even in their own mind.
Thoughts are private.
Your safe place.
Imperfect is better.
Then perfect silence.
Brain fixes itself.
With repetition.
Here's your routine.
5 minutes a day.
Pause and write it down.
Morning, 1 minute.
After waking up,
3 sentences about your day.
I have a meeting.
Study after dinner.
Sleep early tonight.
Daytime, 3 minutes total.
Describe what you see,
Or what you do.
2 or 3 times.
Night, 1 minute.
Before sleep,
1 good thing.
1 hard thing.
1 hope for tomorrow.
Do this 1 month.
Brain chooses English faster. Thinking in English takes time.
But daily practice works.
You'll speak faster.
Understand easier.
Feel more free.
Next time you translate, stop. Try English directly.
This is Dad English.
Antony and Grace.
Like, subscribe, comment your thoughts.